Haley went out for a little bit. But it got to blowing so hard she came running in. I told them they're not allowed out here without our supervision at all. And if their face starts, they need to take breaks. They need to go inside. If they want to come out for a minute, they can't. They need to go back inside, warm up for a little bit. Dude. At least it's lightened up a little bit. You couldn't even see that fence. When it was blowing, that fence, you couldn't see it at all. At least now you can see it. Like, see, now I can see a little bit.
Yeah, but turn the fucking ice. Fucking windshield's like fucking ice.
Oh, this isn't cold.